Hello, I'm Nils from GADT Travel, and today we are learning 10 useful Vietnamese sentences to bargain, order food, and travel in Vietnam. These phrases will help make your trip a lot easier. Now let's get started.
GADT Travel.
Part 1. Bargaining and shopping. First sentence. Bao nhiêu tiền? It means how much is it? It sounds like bao nhiêu tiền?
Bao nhiêu tiền?
30.
Repeat after me. Bao nhiêu tiền? Okay, and you will use this everywhere, from souvenir shops to night markets. It's just about asking the price. After hearing the price, you can say đắt quá. It means that's expensive. It sounds like đắt quá.
Quá nhỏ.
Repeat after me. Đắt quá. Yeah, and if the price seems high, you can smile and say that. Sometimes the seller will offer a better price. If you're not okay with the price, you can say bớt một chút được không? It means can you make a little cheaper? And to make it easier, you can say bớt một chút được không? Now repeat. Bớt một chút được không? A friendly reminder. Bargaining the price is common at the traditional market, but not in the supermarket, convenience store, or shopping mall. Part 2. Ordering food. Tôi muốn gọi món này. It means I'd like to order this one. It sounds like tôi muốn gọi món này. Yeah, it's perfect when you point at the menu. And if you are not a fan of spicy food, you can say không cay. It means not spicy, please. Vietnamese dishes is not always spicy, but some dishes will come with a fresh chilies on the side, so be careful. If you find the food is really delicious, you can say ngon quá. It sounds like ngon quá. And locals love hearing foreigners say this, so if you feel delicious, you can say ngon quá, and maybe the seller will give you a bonus ITs or discount. Tính tiền cho tôi. It means the bill please. It sounds like tính tiền cho tôi. Yeah, you need to use this phrase once per day. Part 3. Getting around Vietnam. And you can simply show the taxi driver the destination on Google Maps and say this. Đi đến đây. It means take me here please. Đi đến đây. Or if you find a bathroom or toilet, you can say nhà vệ sinh ở đâu? It means where's the bathroom or where's the toilet? It sounds like nhà vệ sinh ở đâu? Nhà vệ sinh ở đâu? Okay, so do you know how to say thank you in Vietnamese? 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is cảm ơn. It sounds like cảm ơn.
Cảm ơn nhé.
You repeat after me. Cảm ơn. Cảm ơn. Yeah, whether you thank your Grab driver, hotel staff, or someone help you cross the street, you need to say cảm ơn. And these small phrases will go a long way. I hope these phrases can make your Vietnam trip smoother. And if you forget everything, don't worry. You still have the Google Translate in your body language, right? Now don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. And bye!
GADT Travel. Your smile, our happiness.